Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Sonic's signature sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here today. Like I said, we're going to be making Sonic's signature sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We're going to start out with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce, and a little bit of salt and pepper along the way. This recipe will be in the description box below and in the first pinned comment. Alright, let's start mixing it up. Alright, go ahead and start with our ingredients. We got our barbecue sauce, the mustard, our honey, our mayo, Dijon mustard, our lemon juice, and a pinch or two of salt and pepper in there. And we're just going to mix this all up. There is our sauce. We're going to get some tater tots on a plate. We're going to taste this. We'll be right back. See what our sauce looks like and tastes like here. As you can see, it's holding on really well to that tater tot. Let's give it a taste. Very creamy. Got that tang of that mustard in there, a little bit of the acidity from that lemon juice. Be good with French fries. I could see this being on a burger too. Be really good. More bite. Yeah, quick, easy sauce to make. That barbecue sauce that I used was just a normal sweet and tangy one. No hickory flavor in it. Just sweet molasses flavored barbecue sauce, so you're not getting a weird flavor profile with that hickory. But very good. Like I said, the recipe is down below in the description box or in the first pinned comment. I appreciate you watching. Take care of yourselves. See you next time. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.